Okay, so this screencast is going to go over how to add images using HTML. We're in Twine again, and our start page, just so we can have a look at it, is as follows. We're going to set up a picture quiz with 3 people and see how to add images and resize them. Okay, so first thing is we go back here and we edit. We're going to want 3 images. Now, the code for an image is you open up the brackets, it's image src for source, and then you have equals speech marks, and in those speech marks you type your address of your image. Okay, obviously that's not going to be the address. We need to find the address much like we do with links. So I'm going to go up here and open up another tab, and if we go to Google, this is one way of finding an image. Let's say we had Steve Jobs and we want to find an image. Here we have a whole load of images, and we can try and find one which we think we like. It doesn't really matter which. There we go. We click on that, we get various different options. Visit the page and view the image. If we click on view image, you can see up here that we have the actual address of the image. So this highlighted text here is the address on the web where that image is found. So if we copy that and go back here, our image source, we paste it in between these speech marks. There's the address again, and if we have a look, press play, there's our image. Now, to go over that one more time, let's open up another tab, Google, and if we go to Tim Berners-Lee, for example. Again, if we go to images, see if we can find one that we like the look of. Doesn't really matter at all. Let's try that one. And we view the image. There we go, there's Tim, Sir Tim. We copy the address up at the top, and then back in here we edit the page, open brackets, image img, source equals speech marks, and then in between those speech marks we paste the address. Again, if we play that, we should see these 2 images. Now, sometimes you want to make images the same height or smaller. You can do that by using the height or width commands. So here, if we, in between the image and the source, it doesn't really matter where, you type in height equals 100, that'll resize the image to 100 pixels high. So put the same in there, and to put them in a row, I'm going to put them there. Okay, so same basic syntax. We've got image, we've got the source as we used to, which has the address, this big long address for Steve Jobs. All we've added is the height equals 100 to resize the pictures. So if we play that, there you go, you can see it's resized. It's resized them to scale. So what that means is, as it's become 100, let's say it had shrunk the picture by a half to become 100 in terms of height. So it used to be 200 high, has now become 100. If that was 400 wide, then the Steve Jobs picture would have halved that to become 200. Okay, so let's one last time just to make sure it's there. Hedy Lamarr. This is the actual answer. Let's find a picture of Hedy. There we go. There's the image. If we view the image, the address is up here. Copy. Go back to editing. And then here, I'm going to do brackets, IMG. I'm going to do height equals 100 again, and then SRC, which is source, equals speech marks. Let's paste in the address there. Get prompt. Have a look there. Wait for it to reload. We've got Steve Jobs, Tim Berners-Lee, and a film star called Hedy Lamarr, all at the same height. The answer, well, which would you guess? Correct. The answer is the film star mathematician Hedy Lamarr. He invented something called frequency hopping. I hope that helps you understand how to use images.